Hi everybody, JJ here from the ASUS Suite CES 2018, and we're going to be taking a look at all things ROG. So first up here, we've got the Rog Strix Gl 12. This is going to be our latest generation pre-built gaming desktop. Now normally when you talk about a pre-built gaming desktop, you compromise on styling and performance. That's definitely not the case with this guy. It looks fantastic and it's packing in quite a bit of horsepower under the hood. So outside of its clean, stylized, angular profile, you've got integrated ASUS or Rgb synchronization. So for all of you that want that awesome RGB lighting, you've got that. If you want to be able to have access to a really cool and hot swappable storage drive, you've got that available to you. In addition to that, this unit will come with support for 8th generation overclock enabled CPUs, support for up to GTX 1080 based graphics cards, and closed loop water cooling support. In addition to that, and topping it all off, you've got a cool acrylic side panel. So next up here, we've got our latest range of peripherals. So of course, for a lot of you out there that have been interested in a new ROG series gaming keyboard and did not want to pick up the Claymore, this is going to be an awesome choice for you guys. This is going to be the new Strix Flair edition. This is a full, of course, bodied keyboard having integrated 10-key support. It's got a dual-tone textured finish. It's got a removable palm rest. In addition to that, you also got USB pass-through support. You also have under-mounted support to be able to route through your actual headset cables. It's got an integrated, actually light-up acrylic display with an additional blank so that you can customize it, and of course, full support for ASUS Aura Sync. Now, on the mouse side of the fence, we've got an updated version, the Gladius 2 Origin, which removes the side profile button. So it gives you a little bit more room for those of you who want to take a little bit more of a grip on your mouse. So next up here, we've got, of course, our ROG Gaming Notebooks, and this is something that ROG takes very seriously. This latest generation SCAR series notebook has been purpose-built for FPS enthusiasts. If you're interested in Counter-Strike, Go, Overwatch, Team Fortress, whatever it might be, this notebook's going to give you some seriously impressive performance with support for up to a GTX 1070 in terms of the graphics card, ultra-high refresh rates up to 144 Hz, and of course, awesome cooling. In addition to that, it's got a killer 4-zone RGB lighting for the keyboard. Now, of course, when you're gaming on a notebook like this, you're going to want to be able to have some great sound, and that's going to take form here in the Strix Fusion 500 gaming headset. It's got specially tuned ASUS Essence drivers, great tonality and soundstage, so regardless, music, movies, or games, going to be great. It's got full support for ASUS Aura Rgb synchronization, a flippable microphone that auto switches when you flip it upwards, and swappable cushions. Okay, so now we've got something that's really interesting and possibly my favorite product here in the ASUS ROG suite, and that's the brand new ASUS ROG Aura Terminal. So for those of you not familiar, Aura is about all things RGB and lighting when it comes to your PC DIY setup, especially when you're talking about ASUS ROG enabled products. You can control your motherboards, your graphics cards, PC case lighting, LED strips, and a whole lot more. But what we've been looking for is a way to be able to extend the lighting to your surrounding desktop environment, and that's what the Aura Terminal is going to give you. It's got 4 digital addressable RGB connections that of course can interface with your system and fully synchronize that lighting control, so you got an awesome lit up desktop environment. But what makes things a little bit more interesting is that we're going to have some new software that will offer a mode of operation called Halo Mode, and you can see right here I've got a video playing back, and it synchronizes by reading the actual metadata information and then displays that corresponding color in different scenarios. So you can see, you could have it set up here on your monitor, you could have it based as perimeter lighting, a lot of different choices, but ultimately it just shows you how Aura is going to be the best way to set up your gaming setup. Alright guys, so we've saved the best for last. This is the absolute monster PG65. So this is their latest generation ROG Swift gaming monitor. ASUS, ROG, and NVIDIA have a long track record of really offering the most innovative gaming displays on the market, and this guy is going to be the new cream of the crop when it comes to gaming displays. So again, we've got 65 inches, 4K base display, 120 Hz, G-Sync support, integrated NVIDIA Shield, you've got HDMI and DP-based connectivity, and a whole lot more. If you're really looking for the absolute most immersive gaming experience, it's going to take things to the next level when you're talking about not only 4K but HDR, this is going to be the monitor that you're definitely going to want to be checking out. Alright everybody, so that wraps up our quick walkthrough here at the ASUS ROG Suite for CES 2018. If you guys want to find out a lot more about the awesome products that we've got for CES, make sure to check out edgeup.asus.com, where we've got write-ups on a lot of these products that we've covered here and a whole lot more. So make sure to check out the link in the description. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content coming to you from CES 2018.